A cloudburst is an extremely intense, localized shower, defined by the India Meteorological Department as at least 100 mm of rain within 1 hour, over 10 square kilometers. These events occur due to deep, rapid atmospheric uplift over steep terrain, typical of high-altitude Himalayan regions. They can trigger sudden flash floods and landslides, devastating communities in mountainous regions. The term does not refer to a literal bursting cloud, but to rapid precipitation from cumulonimbus clouds, sometimes accompanied by thunder or hail. Why was the recent Uttarkashi disaster not a cloudburst? Despite initial reports, Uttarkashi district did not record any cloudburst-level rainfall. Actual rainfall was only light to moderate, ranging from 8 mm to 43 mm on August 5th, far below the 100 mm per hour threshold. The region lacked weather radar coverage at that altitude, so precise measurements were unavailable and the cloudburst classification was premature. Uttarkashi's steep, rugged topography, with narrow valleys and loose debris, turned the soil into unstable slopes. A debris-laden flood, possibly triggered by a glacial lake burst, glacier collapse or landslide, raced downstream as mud and silt-laden water to hit Dharauli village violently. Cloudbursts happen when warm, moist air quickly rises over mountains, cools down, and turns into heavy rain. This process, called orographic lift, causes the air to release a large amount of rain in a short time. Sudden mixing of warm and cold air, strong upward air movement called convection, and high moisture in the air at high altitudes. Mountains force moist air to rise rapidly, causing sudden cooling and condensation. Warm air with high moisture content meets cooler air at high altitudes, resulting in intense convection and localized torrential rain. The India Meteorological Department forecasts rainfall events well in advance, but it does not predict the quantum of rainfall. In fact, no meteorological agency does. IMD gives general rainfall forecasts, light, heavy, very heavy, but not exact amounts. These forecasts are for large areas like districts or states, not specific locations. Cloudbursts can't be predicted exactly due to tech limitations and lack of dense instruments. However, warnings for very heavy rain, which may lead to cloudburst-like events, are given 6 to 12 hours in advance. Flash floods. The most immediate and destructive impact is the rapid overflowing of rivers and streams, leading to widespread flooding of low-lying areas. Landslides and mudslides. The excessive water saturates the soil on slopes, leading to the rapid downward movement of earth, rocks, and debris. Soil erosion. The intense rainfall can wash away topsoil, degrading the land and negatively affecting agriculture. Land subsidence. The weakening of the ground can cause sudden sinking of the Earth's surface. Loss of life. The suddenness and intensity of cloudbursts often leave little time for evacuation.